Hi everyone, I hope you've been all well. Today I have an unboxing for you, Chanel 22K unboxing. So I know this video is actually coming before the shopping vlog. I really hoped I'd be able to film the shopping vlog and upload it as soon as possible when the collection launched, which was about 2 weeks ago. Unfortunately, they haven't received much from this collection yet. They're still receiving stock slowly. So I've been trying to film the shopping vlog. I went already a few times to Chanel. I went to the pre-launch. I also went on the launch day, and unfortunately there wasn't much to film. However, I did collect one of my wishlist items. I do still have 2 more pieces from this collection on my wishlist, which, to be honest, I'm not even sure if I'll end up buying, but I'm still really curious to see them and try them on. So whenever they come, I will just show you, and hopefully the shopping vlog is coming next. So yeah, if you're interested, keep watching and come follow me on my Instagram, which is this one here. You can see my daily outfits, how I like to style my new purchases. I also show you some beauty products on my stories, so come say hi. I'd love to see you there as well. Alright, let's get started. So this was my first purchase, which actually came, I couldn't collect this on the pre-launch, but I did collect it on the actual day when the collection launched. So I didn't ask for a box because the box was really huge, but I guess you can kind of tell already what's inside here. It's one of the hottest items from this collection. Let me unbox the other one. Here they are, my new rain boots. They did launch these actually last year. I can't remember which collection they came with. I think it was probably Métier d'Art last year, was it? I have to double check, but yeah, they launched them just in black and they sold out so quickly. To be honest, I didn't even realize these were coming then. I think I saw them on Instagram, someone posted them, and I wasn't even sure what collection these were from. I thought they were from an old collection. So then I realized it was actually the current collection back then. When I asked my essay, they were already gone. So unfortunately I couldn't get them then, but I got so excited when I saw these on the runway of the fall winter collection. I immediately messaged my essay and said I wanted them. They did come in a few different colors. I will insert some pictures here. I also reviewed the collection, by the way, so I'll make sure I link that video above if you're interested to check it out. But yeah, they did come in khaki beige, which I absolutely loved. I loved the beige, but I thought I probably wouldn't wear them as much as the black ones, so I decided to just go for the classic black, and I think they look stunning. Also inside, can you guys see, they're red and they're super comfortable. Inside they're padded. Also, I wasn't sure because these don't come in half sizes. I wasn't sure which size to pre-order, but my essay said they run a bit big. So she said just order 38 because I'm between 38 and 38 and a half. 38 fits perfectly, and I even have a little bit of room inside if I want to wear very thick socks in the winter. They're actually surprisingly warm as well. I haven't worn them out yet. It was supposed to be raining this week, but as you can see, it's really bright and sunny, so I hoped I would be able to wear them already, but yeah, I haven't had the chance because it's still quite warm for these. As I said, they are actually quite warm. I did wear them around the house to just see how comfortable they are, and yeah, they're actually surprisingly really warm. So even in the winter, I know they're rubber, but inside they're lined, they're like fabric inside, and they're so comfortable. So they're very soft on the bottom, very cushiony. Feels like you're stepping on clouds. So another thing that I have actually noticed, first of all, I love the little details. So we have the big white CC on the front, but also, can you guys see, there is the Chanel writing on the back of the heel, and also on the bottom you can see the classic quilting and a CC on the heel as well. So these actually I have noticed, because I already wore them, as I said, at home, they collect quite a lot of dust. It just sticks to the rubber and it is actually quite hard to clean. You can't just wipe them or dust them off because the dust actually sticks on the rubber. So unless you literally put them under the sink to wash, especially I have a cat, they collect a lot of hair. I can actually see so much hair, Yoshi hair on them right now, so bear that in mind. But they're rain boots, so it's okay, you can just wash them under the sink when they get dusty. So these are quite pricey, I'm not gonna lie, for rubber boots. They are quite pricey, and I believe when they launched them before with the previous collection last year, they were slightly cheaper, but because they're so popular and they're relaunching them, they have increased the price slightly, so they're £960, almost £1,000 for rubber boots. But I justified buying them because it does rain a lot in London, so I know how I get a lot of wear out of these when it rains. Every time it rains, I always struggle finding good shoes to wear. I always seem to wear my Peyton's Prada loafers in this transitional period, so I'm glad I have these. Now I can pull them out every time it rains. I'm so excited. Moving on, you guys know this collection was inspired by the tweed. It's all about the tweed, and in one of my recent shopping vlogs, I'll make sure I link the exact video above, I showed you the tweed pop-up, the beauty pop-up at Harrods. So I ended up picking a palette, one of the limited edition tweed palettes. So I did want to quickly review it because I've been using it and I absolutely love it. I actually heard very mixed reviews. Some people loved the palette, others didn't really like them as much, but honestly I have been using this palette. Let me just open it up and show you. It comes in this stunning tweed little dust bag. You could say it's a dust bag, right? There were 4 different palettes and all 4 have different little cases. I will insert some footage from that makeup pop-up so you can see the palette with the corresponding cases. I picked up, I'll show you an up close. I've already used mine, but I did film it before I start using it so you can see the beautiful pattern. The design was so intricate inside, I really loved it, and I did take some pictures. The design was so intricate, it really looked like tweed, so I loved that. Then I ended up getting 04. So 04 is the more cool toned brown palette, but I did really love the sparkly shade. I think it looks so stunning on the eyelid. That's what I'm wearing today as well. I have been wearing this palette almost every day. It is the perfect everyday palette, and initially I wasn't sure about this palette. When they released pictures online, actually this was initially my least favorite just because I thought it would be very cool toned and I don't really suit very cool toned eyeshadows. But when I got the chance to go and swatch all the eyeshadow palettes, I loved this one the most, and I'm glad I ended up getting this one. I'm not sure if they're still available. I think they might be still available on the Chanel website, so I highly recommend this one. It blends like a dream, and also, as you can see, it doesn't look too cool toned or ashy, so really love this one. Last but definitely not least, this is actually not from the current collection. This is a vintage piece. So let me show you. You might have seen it already in one of my videos. I think I tried on, when I unboxed my tiny little bag, I styled it with this trench coat, and I did receive a few comments about this trench coat, so I wanted to show you it. Plus it is the most perfect faux piece. I love trench coats, and recently I have been wearing this non-stop. This is one of the most beautiful vintage ready-to-wear pieces I have seen. The colors are so beautiful. You have this stunning, very classic Chanel beige with the black trimming and the huge buttons with the gold CCs. Actually, there are so many buttons on this trench coat. There are buttons everywhere. There is also a belt so you can cinch it in. This actually came in 2 different lengths. This is a hand-me-down actually from my mom's collection, but I actually got so inspired when I watched the Kardashians on Disney, the season 1. I think they have like a new show. I've never actually watched Keeping Up with the Kardashians before, but I started watching the new show on Disney, and when I watched season 1 I saw Kourtney Kardashian rocking this. I loved how she styled it with all black. I think she wore leggings, black bodysuit and high-heeled boots, but she also wore the longer version, the longer style. This same trench coat came in a longer style and this more shorter style as well. And then I remembered, oh my god, my mom has the exact same one. I have to steal it from her because I haven't seen her wear it for such a long time. This is from the, I think, early 90s, so it is quite old. And then I asked her, she said she's not wearing it, I can take it from her. It is a bit big, I will try it on, but I don't mind the oversized fit. I think it's just fine. I'm quite tall, and when I cinch it with the belt it looks great. So yeah, this is the trench coat. I'm so excited. I will try and find something similar. I'm sure maybe some of the pre-loved websites like Vestia Collective, maybe Fashion File. I'll see if I can find it anywhere else, so I can link it down below. It's such a wearable color, very classic, timeless piece. Yeah, this is the new trench. I would love to hear what you guys think, and thanks mom for handing this down. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. I know there wasn't much to unbox from 22K, but at least I got to show you the new boots and the palette from that tweed collection. So if you are still considering getting these, I do highly recommend them. If you can find them, maybe ask your SA. I'm sure they'll probably restock again, but yeah, let me know what you guys think, which piece was your favorite, and stay tuned for the shopping vlog, which is finally coming up next. I'm sorry I couldn't upload it earlier, but as I mentioned, they didn't have much stock. Now they keep receiving more. They have received some new pieces, so you will definitely see the shopping vlog next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.